So guys, open any browsers to type Google search box to Lenovo IdeaPad Legion 7i on the Google search box. After that, type the Google download driver. Go to this first URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com, and Leon series downloads. Just right click to new tab. So there are two type to install driver. First, you can see this is guys buffering automatic, and this is manual. So if you are select the scan now, so it will detect automatically your system, and then you can download driver. Otherwise guys, this is manual method, so you can select a driver, you can download separately one by one. Then click to guys select the driver. Okay, then click to Bluetooth, oh sorry, audio. Then this is audio latest driver, just click to download. Then click to down setup, then yes, then okay, then I accept, then next, select the install, then next, and install. Then click to OK and then finish it. Then restart your system.